Hey guys, it's Wenny. Today I'll be showing you my new app called SnapPlate. So basically the reason I create this app to track your food intake and help with fitness goal. So first of all, I'm using myself as an example. We're going to use and track our MBI first. So here you can just put in your gender, age and height, and they will show, like example, my MBI is 22.9, and they will show you my body fat's around 28%. I need around 1,500 daily intake, and my daily calorie will be around 2,000. And after getting all this detail, we can go to the meal planner when the AI can build meal from Monday to Sunday. After that, we go back to dashboard where it can show you the weekly groceries list based on the meal plan. So you don't have to wonder what to buy or what to eat during the week. Let the AI plan your meal for you. So on this main page, I coded that every day the user can upload image of what they eat during the day. And for example, because I'm a matcha lover, so I drink matcha every morning. As you can see from the screen, they show nutrition facts of 40 calories and simple matcha latte ingredients and instruction. Not only that, we also include the feature where you can take picture of your fridge and ask the AI to plan meal around it. So for this example, I upload the picture of my fridge and they show me some basic ingredients like onions, eggs and potato, and they calculate we should make some simple potato and egg scramble. There's nutrition facts of 300 calories, and then we can add to the dashboard and they can calculate the total amount we ate for the morning. And the reason I create this app to track my own food intake, because I'm a fitness junkie, so I need to manage my own food intake every day. So thank you for my presentation. I hope you have a good day.